Nice. All right, all right, all right. Let's see how this goes here. What are we doing over here? What are we doing? I gotta make a banana bread. Bang. That over there. Clean that up. Clean that up. Oven to 350, by the way. There's a third of a cup of butter melted. Two to three overripe bananas. You know, enough for about a cup and a half of mush, banana mush. Pinch of salt. If you twist my arm, it's like a teaspoon or something. One teaspoon of baking soda. One egg, blended, you know, whisked, scrambled, but not cooked. Just kind of whisk it up. So. Maybe I'll switch to a whisk. Although this worked pretty well. That served its purpose. Make certain got everything combined here. This is a much better tool for that. They make tools specific for, you know, certain jobs. Alright, now we need this. Salt and the sugar. Half a cup to a full cup of sugar. Depends on your reaction to seeing that much sugar in the bowl relative to the other ingredients. And I guess how sweet the bananas are. One teaspoon of vanilla extract or whatever you can get into the bowl. That's not flour. This is flour. 180 grams of all-purpose flour. Also a cup and a half. This is vegetable oil, just to make sure it doesn't stick. You can use butter, but then I'd have to go in the fridge. And this is right here. Make sure you get the sides and the corners. Banana bread is like one of the easiest things you can make. And this recipe in particular I really, really like, so I'm sharing it. I'm gonna turn it after a half an hour. It should be about halfway done.
I just pulled it, I just flipped it. This is what it looks like. I just rotated it. There you go. It's halfway through.
I still got some time left. I don't know how much time it's been. 7 minutes left, 8 minutes left minus, so it's been 42 minutes total. I'm just gonna check because I can smell it. The smell is very strong at the moment. No, not yet. Close, but we'll keep it going for the final 7 minutes. Timer's going off. Let's check this thing one more time. Looks good. Pretty dark on the outside. Feels good. That's it. Let it rest a few minutes and then we'll take it out of the pan. There you go, let it cool. Looks pretty dark. Let that cool. Cool! Bam! This bread is it's banging. This is some good ass bread. Some good ass banana bread. Look at that. Look at that thing. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. This bread. This is good. You gotta make it. If you want, you know, you make it if you want it. If you want to.